Hello guys, in this video, it is a quick guide on how to create a Shopify account. So just you need to go to your browser, then you will just type shopify.com. On the shopify.com, you will just click on start for free. So you can sign up with your accounts like Google, email, or Apple, Facebook. So you could just need to click on whichever you like. If you want to sign in with your Google, you need to type your email and you can proceed. Now over here, it will tell you that you can try it for free for 3 days, but for next 3 months, you can just pay $1 and you can enjoy 3 months. And then after that, the regular fees will be taken, which is very less, $25 only. And if you want to add your card right now, you can add, but you can also add the skip button. You can skip that. After skip, it will ask for where would you like to sell. So you have a online store, or you can choose your preferences. For me, it is an online store setup. So over here, it is asking for that your business is existing or you have a new business idea. So I have a new business idea. So over here, the Shopify is asking that what do you plan to sell? So you have products I buy or make myself. Yeah, you can make yourself at home, and or you just buy and increase the price and sell it. It comes in shipped by me. You have to pack it and then ship it to the customer. And the second one is drop shipping. You just take a product from another source. There's no work of the stock management and making product and delivering product. You just not need to do all that stuff. A sourced and shipped by a third party, right? Okay, so now print on demand products. You have a design, but you don't make a product. So the third party make the product, but you have a design to sell. Then you have a digital product, then services. So I'm for my product, which I made myself. Open my Shopify account. So this is my store. Over here, this homepage, and then order the products. So on add product page, you just add product very easily. Like I will sell oil. Title is so important. You need to work on it. The description also is so important. You have to use AI, and you can upload images. Right? I have an oil bottle which I sell actually. So you can just easily upload your pictures of your product. It's so easy to make an e-commerce website. I have not added all the details, but it just created a product. Then if you come to the actual store, like what your store look like, customize your theme as well. So if I just customize this one, if you want to view your site, just you can easily view your store. So you can just customize all of this stuff and you can play around it, and it is so easy to make. So please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can never miss another video. So goodbye for now.